All right, and welcome back to Inside Baseball Play of the Day. I'm Alex Boulden, and in this week's market shenanigans, Coinbase is under investigation by the SEC, Twitter continues its free fall, and Michael Burry reveals that he sold all his positions except one, and we're loving every minute of it. Keep it locked in right here. One of the first articles I wrote for my free publication called Outsider Club, which you can sign up for below, was about how Coinbase would go bankrupt. Of course, I was being dramatic, but for good reason. I focused on insider transactions at Coinbase, and at the time, all the C-suite execs were selling shares. Get this, on the same exact day the company went public, CEO Brian Armstrong sold 750,000 shares, pocketing $291.8 million. Now, I argued the company had greedy management, poor customer service, and a flat-out terrible business model that relies solely on crypto transactions on its app. 90% of the company's revenue comes from transaction fees, while 10% comes from the sale of its own crypto assets to customers. I predicted that when crypto falls and people stop using the app, like what's happening now, the stock price would plummet. Sure enough, just 1 year later, and Coinbase is down 75%. And now that Coinbase is under investigation by the SEC for insider trading and the sale of unregistered securities, the company's future is pretty dim. Twitter, another terrible investment, is seeing its C-suite unloading shares as well. Basically, the entire management team has sold off their positions this year. After seeing that, I bought the June 16th, 2023 $40 puts, and they're paying off nicely right now, up more than 50% in 1 week. And lastly, it's official. We might be witnessing the next stock market crash as we speak. The infamous Michael Burry of The Big Short just revealed that he sold all of his positions in his Scion Asset Management Fund last quarter, and now it holds only a $3.3 million position in Geo Group. He says the S&P could drop another 50% over the next few years. But what do you think? Are you buying puts ahead of the stock market crash, or is now the time to buy? Links to all the goodies are in the description below. And please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so the YouTube algorithm keeps pushing us to the top of your feed. So that's it for this week. Have a great Labor Day weekend. Now play me out, boys.